How's it going, guys? I hope you're doing good. I'm good. My name is Frank and welcome to my channel. If you're liking my videos, do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. So in today's episode, I will be showing you how to upgrade your car antenna. I will be using this electronic antenna because it has a better range. So let's do it. I'm using this Pioneer radio, and it's applicable to the most common radios. Even if you're using the stock radio, you will be able to switch to this one. This antenna basically needs a it's electronic antenna, so basically you will have to power up this antenna by this cable, and you will have to ground it using this part. You see, so we'll have to disassemble all these parts. So here in my car, basically you have to unscrew the shifting knob and take off this part. So after that, I will have to take off this cover and disconnect the cable right here. Now I will have to unbolt these two bolts right here. After taking those bolts, I had to remove this part here. It uses some clippers. You just pull it and it will come away. Right. Then, as you can see here on top, I have two bolts, two 10mm bolts that I will be unscrewing it. Alright guys, these two bolts are out. Then I will be able to move the whole unit. As you can see, it comes off with the AC and with the radio station. So as you can see, my car wasn't my radio wasn't bolted into this strut, was only hanging there. So I will try to find some nuts to hold it back here.
A few moments later.
All right, so basically is this what you can see, what you see here. So the cable for the radio is this one. You have to unplug it. This is the original from the car. It is bad. I can even hear to any radio station. Right guys, let me just give you a quick update here. So basically this cable, the red and the yellow, it's almost the same as in the most Pioneer radio or aftermarket radios. Those ones power out the unit. So this one is the cable that comes with the power. So I will be connecting this power to the antenna into this one. As I told you, this one is for the power. Let me just turn a bit of the volume. As I told you, this one is for power here. As you can see, the antenna is on now, and I'm just testing with the ground of the old antenna to see if it works. So now I will have to find a place to put it. I just found a place that the antenna will be staying comfortably and with a ground area. As you can see, I will ground it right here. It will be easy for me. It's close to a ground place, and it will work perfectly. And it's close, the cable will be close to the radio, so it will be everything easy. Antenna has a double-sided tape that is very good because it will make easier to glue the antenna right on the place. So I will just take this plastic wrap and glue that there. Okay guys, just to give you a quick update here, instead of putting the antenna always on, because this shunt here, as you can see with the red one, makes that the radio stays on even with the key turned off. So I don't want the antenna stays on while the key is off the ignition. So I tried to search for a wire that gets power only when you turn the key. So in this case, if I turn off my key, as you can see here, the antenna is off. If I turn on my key, the antenna is on. So I will be using this approach. I think it's better. Just quick updates here. As you can see, I rewired some cables. This is the one that powers on the radio unit. I rewired this one, and now I have power only when I turn the key to the car.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, as you can see, everything is back on place. I still miss this part right here. With time I will find something to put there. The radio is playing as it should. When I turn off the key, the antenna turns off and basically the quality goes down. But when I turn on the key, the antenna turns on and the radio sounds as it should be. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can upgrade your car radio antenna. It's a basic stuff that you can do to improve your radio quality over FM and AM radio stations. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, and if you don't want to miss many videos, subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notifications about my newest videos. So that's it guys, see you next time. Cheers.